Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part. If accounting software had personalities, FreeAgent would be the polite UK accountant who reminds you about tax deadlines weeks in advance, while Xero would be the ambitious planner already mapping out your business growth for the next 5 years. Let's jump straight into pricing, starting with FreeAgent, because this is where it really stands out for UK users. FreeAgent's pricing depends heavily on your business type and your banking setup. If you have a business account with NatWest, Royal Bank of Scotland, Ulster Bank, or Metal, FreeAgent can cost exactly £0 per month. As long as the bank account remains active, you get full access to all FreeAgent features without paying a subscription fee, which makes it one of the most cost-effective options available for UK small businesses. If you're not eligible for the free bank-linked version, FreeAgent uses a straightforward flat pricing model. Limited companies pay £16.50 per month when billed monthly, with a 50% discount applied for the first 6 months. If billed annually, the cost is £165 per year, equivalent to £13.75 per month. Partnerships and LLPs pay £13.50 per month, or £135 per year. Sole traders pay £9.50 per month, or £95 per year. Landlords receive the lowest pricing at £5 per month, or £50 per year. All prices are excluding VAT, and importantly, FreeAgent does not lock features behind higher tiers. Once subscribed, everything is included. Now let's compare that with Xero UK pricing. Xero operates on a tiered subscription system with multiple plans designed to scale as businesses grow. The Ignite plan is currently discounted to £1.60 per month for the first 6 months, down from its usual £16, but it limits invoices and bills. The Grow plan is discounted to £3.70 per month, normally £37, and allows unlimited invoicing and bills. The Comprehensive plan is discounted to £5 per month, normally £50, and adds multi-currency, project tracking, and expense claims. The Ultimate plan is discounted to £6.50 per month, normally £65, and includes payroll and advance features. After promotional periods end, pricing increases significantly, and add-ons can raise costs further. Now let's move into FreeAgent features. FreeAgent is designed specifically for UK freelancers, contractors, landlords, and small limited companies. It includes invoicing, expense tracking, bank feeds, mileage tracking, recurring billing, and project tracking in one streamlined system. One of FreeAgent's biggest strengths is its built-in tax automation. It automatically calculates VAT, corporation tax, self-assessment, and dividend estimates, giving users real-time visibility into their tax position. FreeAgent is fully compliant with Making Tax Digital and allows VAT returns to be submitted directly to HMRC. The dashboard is simple and non-intimidating, showing cash flow, profit estimates, upcoming tax deadlines, and outstanding invoices in plain English. Reports such as profit and loss and balance sheets are generated automatically, making it accessible even for users with no accounting background. Now let's look at the pros and cons of FreeAgent. On the positive side, it is extremely easy to use, purpose-built for UK tax rules, and offers unbeatable value when bundled with supported bank accounts. Pricing is predictable, and there are no hidden tiers. On the downside, customization is limited, integrations are fewer compared to larger platforms, and inventory features are basic. FreeAgent is best for straightforward UK businesses rather than complex or international operations. Now let's move into Xero UK features. Xero is a powerful cloud accounting platform built for businesses that want flexibility, automation, and scalability as they grow. Xero supports invoicing, quotes, bills, expense claims, bank reconciliation, inventory tracking, fixed assets, purchase orders, and multi-currency accounting on higher plans. Its real-time bank feeds and smart reconciliation tools significantly reduce manual data entry, allowing users to match transactions quickly and accurately using suggested rules and automated logic. Dashboards are fully customizable, giving business owners an instant overview of cash flow, outstanding invoices, upcoming bills, and overall financial performance without digging through reports. Xero is fully compliant with Making Tax Digital in the UK and allows direct VAT submissions to HMRC, which helps businesses stay compliant with minimal effort. It also includes project tracking, budgeting tools, and detailed reporting features that help businesses analyze profitability over time. Reports such as profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and aged receivables are available in real time and can be shared easily with accountants or stakeholders. One of Xero's biggest strengths is collaboration. Accountants and bookkeepers can access the same data simultaneously, review transactions, make adjustments, and submit filings without exporting files or sending emails back and forth. This makes Xero especially popular with accounting firms and growing businesses that rely on real-time collaboration. Another major advantage of Xero is its massive app ecosystem. Xero integrates with hundreds of third-party tools covering payroll, payments, CRM, inventory management, e-commerce platforms, forecasting tools, time tracking, and advanced reporting. This allows businesses to extend Xero's functionality without switching platforms, building a customized accounting system that evolves as operational needs grow. For businesses that plan to scale, this flexibility can be a major long-term advantage compared to more closed systems. Now let's look at the pros and cons of Xero UK. On the positive side, Xero is highly scalable, feature-rich, and widely supported by accountants across the UK. Automation saves time, bank reconciliation is fast and accurate, and the wide range of integrations allows businesses to tailor the platform to their workflow. On the downside, Xero becomes more expensive as businesses grow, with many advanced features locked behind higher plans or requiring paid add-ons. The interface can also feel overwhelming for very small businesses or freelancers who only need basic accounting and prefer a simpler setup. When it comes to ratings, both FreeAgent and Xero are reviewed on Trustpilot. Xero generally receives strong Trustpilot ratings, with users frequently praising its automation, bank feeds, and integrations, while some reviews mention pricing increases as a drawback. FreeAgent is often praised on Trustpilot for simplicity, clear tax calculations, and ease of use for UK freelancers and small businesses. Trustpilot reviews reflect real user experiences, but ratings can vary depending on business size, expectations, and region, so they should be viewed as overall user sentiment rather than absolute rankings. Here's the final takeaway. Choose FreeAgent if you want simple, UK-focused accounting with predictable pricing, built-in tax support, and minimal setup. Choose Xero UK if you want advanced features, automation, deep reporting, and a platform that scales with your business over time. Both tools are excellent in the right context, but they serve different types of users. To explore either platform for yourself, click the link below to access the software and see which one fits your workflow best. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment with the next accounting software you want reviewed so you never miss another in-depth comparison.